हेलो दोस्तों। तो आज हम करने वाले हैं ट्रांसक्रिप्शन नंबर की ही बैक। ट्रांसक्रिप्शन विल बी स्टार्ट इन 5 सेकेंड। बी रेडी। स्टार्ट। Honorable members will notice that so far as public relations go, the bill has covered adequate ground. In a measure like the Companies Bill, however, which covers the entire field of the operation of joint stock companies, the limits of consultation and discussion can never be exhausted, and I would like to inform honorable members that although the bill was introduced in Parliament over 7 months ago, our officers have been engaged throughout this period in further studies and informal discussions with the interests concerned, and on occasions I have also participated in such discussions. I have also given some further thought to some of the issues arising out of the bill, and I propose at the appropriate stage to bring before the select committee any change in the provision of the bill which seem to me to be worthy of consideration in the light of this further examination. Now, honorable members would have noticed that the bill contains 6 clauses and 12 sub-schedules. I think it is probably one of the longest legislative measures in recent legislative history, but its size might be regarded as misleading unless I make a few comments. The bill is both, one must remember, a consolidating and amending measure as mentioned in the statement of objects and reasons. This is the first opportunity which has occurred since 1923 for the consolidation of the Companies Act. Advantage has been taken of this opportunity to redraft several long and complicated sections in the present Act, which have been split up into a large number of clauses. This is the largest single factor accountable for the increase in the number of clauses in the bill. New clauses embodying substantial change in the present law would hardly constitute more than a small fraction of the bill. I would also draw attention to the structural changes in the bill to which a reference has been made in the statement of objects and reasons. The redraft of the bill and rearrangement of the existing chapters in the Companies Act in a more logical order have, I think, resulted in a noticeable improvement in the form of the bill, and I hope will facilitated better understanding and appreciation of the scheme. I wish that the act, which came into effect long ago, was implemented properly. I know that the minister here is very earnest in implementing it, but unfortunately his colleagues at the state level are disappointing him. Unfortunately, no steps have been taken for trimming or toning up the administration at the state level and at the district level. They have to be taken immediately. थैंक यू। तो आज की एक ख़त्म हो गई। इसे ज़्यादा ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करें, वीडियो को लाइक, कमेंट और शेयर करें, इसकी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करें।